Ikan Bakar. Ingredients. For the marinade: 1 tablespoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon belacan, 4 shallots, sliced, or 2 small onions, 2 medium onions, sliced, 1 stalk lemongrass, sliced, use only the bottom 3 inches, 2 cloves garlic, chopped, ½ teaspoon ginger, sliced fresh or 1/4 of a teaspoon ginger powder, ½ teaspoon galangal, sliced, fresh, 1 tablespoon turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon cooking oil, 1 tablespoon lime or lemon juice, ½ teaspoon salt, ½ teaspoon sugar. For the fish: 1 pound skate or a fish, such as grouper, which doesn't flake easily when cooked. Kosher salt. 8 tablespoons oil, cooking. 4 pieces of large banana leaves. 1 thinly sliced shallot or small onion for the dipping sauce. 1 lime or lemon for the dipping sauce. Make the marinade. Gather the ingredients. Preheat oven to 450 F. Place chili powder in a small bowl, and add some water to the chili powder to make a thick paste. Chop the belacan into small pieces. Place the belacan slices slightly apart from each other on a roasting pan. Roast for about 2 minutes or until the edges start to brown. Let it cool down before blending. Note that roasting belacan this way will leave your kitchen smoky and with a strong smell for some time. Leaving the windows and doors open will help to clear out the odors. Place chili paste, roasted belacan, and all other marinade ingredients in a blender or a food processor. Blend until smooth. If it is too dry, add a bit of water, 1 teaspoon at a time, until everything blends well. Preparing the fish. Cut the fish lengthwise into 1½ inch widths. The length of each piece is dependent on the overall size. Rinse each piece and pat dry with kitchen towels. Sprinkle some kosher salt on every piece, making sure that they are evenly coated. Rub on the blended marinade. Cover and refrigerate for at least 2 hours to let the marinade do its magic. Grilling the fish. Preheat a flat pan or grill. A wok may also be used. Oil the pan lightly with the cooking oil. Cut a piece of banana leaf to fit the pan. If the banana leaf is a small one, cut a few pieces and place them side by side. Make sure the leaves are able to sit flat on the pan. Place the marinated fish slice by slice onto the banana leaf. Drizzle ½ tablespoon of oil over each piece of fish. Let them fry for a total of about 10 to 15 minutes. Turning the fish so that each side gets cooked evenly, especially the side with the skin if your fish has it. Halfway through, you may want to drizzle another ½ tablespoon of oil so that the fish doesn't dry up, but rather gets nice and crispy. The fish is cooked when the flesh comes off easily from the bone. Use a fork or spoon to test. Serve with the sambal belacan. Serve the fish on a fresh piece of banana leaf. It goes extremely well with the sambal belacan. Just add some thinly sliced shallot into the sambal belacan with a squeeze of lime or lemon juice.